Hi students, welcome to Dr. RK classes. Today I will explain esterification concept. Esterification. Acids react with alcohols to form esters. Esterification is an acid catalyzed reaction. Acid catalyzed reaction. Acid catalyzed reaction. In the substrates, carboxylic acids and alcohols. Catalyst is concentrated sulfuric acid. Reaction RC double bond OH plus R dash OH to form ester RC double bond OR and H2O. This is ester. This is esterification. For example, here acetic acid react with ethyl alcohol to form ethyl ethanoate. This is ester. Ethyl ethanoate is formed. Ethyl ethanoate, ester. Ethyl ethanoate. Here, elimination of water from this carboxylic acid OH and alcohols, hydrogen is removed. From carboxylic acid OH, from alcohols, H is removed. This is esterification. Here, important topic is mechanism. H2SO4 is converted into H plus HSO4 minus. Here, just observe RC double bond OH H plus. This oxygen contains 2 lone pair. One lone pair is donated to H plus. You are getting this compound. This is H plus. Here, oxygen getting plus charge. Now, again addition of alcohol R dash OH. Here oxygen contains 2 lone pairs. One lone pair is donated to carbon. This bond is shifted to oxygen. We are getting this one. RC OH and OH R dash. So this oxygen getting positive charge. Here next step, transfer of proton is take place. This hydrogen is removed in the form of H plus. This H plus is transferred to this oxygen. Transfer of proton is take place. Here RCOH and H2 plus and OR. Next step, elimination of water. This lone pair is shifted to here. This is removed in the form of H2O. Elimination of water. We are getting this compound. RC double bond OH plus and OR. H2O. Next one, removal of H plus. Here, removal of H plus. Just you are adding this one HSO4 minus. This HSO4 minus. You are getting R dash R C double bond O dash plus H2SO4. This is the mechanism. In this, just observe here. In this, here addition of water is take place. The addition of alcohol. The addition of alcohol. This step is slow step or rate determining step, RDS. Rate determining step or slowest step. This is important step. This is important. From here, elimination of water is take place. Here, addition of alcohols. Here, elimination of water. Overall, just observe in this, carboxylic acid react with alcohols to form esters. Here, OH group is substituted by RO minus. Here, nucleophilic substitution reaction. OH minus is replaced by OR minus. This is nucleophilic substitution reaction, or nucleophilic addition and elimination reaction. Nucleophilic addition and elimination reaction. Important. Esterification. So in this, reactivity of alcohols and carboxylic acids towards esterification. It is depends on transition state. This is nothing but transition state. Which one is transition state? Means this is the transition state. Just observe. Reactivity. Your transition state is nothing but your RCOH plus OH and R dash OH. Here this lone pair is donated to this oxygen. Here one double bond is present. This double bond is shifted to this one. This is nothing but transition state. This is a transition state. In transition state is, just observe your carbon atom undergoes sp3. It is tetrahedral. Now, based on stability of transition state only, product is formation is take place. So reactivity depends on stability of transition state. Here, reactivity of alcohols towards esterification. First one, here methyl alcohol, ethyl alcohol, propyl alcohol, like that, propyl alcohol. Next one, 2-methyl propyl alcohol, 2-methyl propyl alcohol, 2-methyl propanol, sorry, 2-methyl, 1-propanol. So reactivity order, 1 is greater than 2, 2 is greater than 3, 3 is greater than 4. So the reactivity depends on stability of transition state. So transition state stability depends on steric factor. Here bulkiness is increases. Here methyl group, ethyl group, propyl group, here butyl group total. So bulkiness is increases. Bulkiness is increases means steric factor is increases. When steric factor is increases, stability of transition state is decreases. When stability is decreases, reactivity is decreases. A more stable transition state is formed by methyl alcohol. That's why here this is the reactivity order. Important part. Similarly, carboxylic acids reactivity towards esterification. Carboxylic acids, formic acid, acetic acid, propanoic acid, methyl propanoic acid. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. Here also reactivity is 1 is greater than 2, 2 is greater than 3, 3 is greater than 4. So reactivity depends on stability of transition state. Transition state stability increases, reactivity increases. These two questions are possible. So along with this one, intermolecular esterification. Just 1, 2 examples or 2, 3 examples are important. Let us stop there. CH2, 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 C double bond O, OH and O. Here in presence of H2SO4 or H plus anyway. Internal esterification. In this internal esterification, you are getting this one. This is alpha carbon, beta and gamma. Alpha, beta and gamma. At gamma position, OH group is present. You are getting gamma lactone. You are getting this one. Sorry. Here. O, C double bond O, CH2, 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 this carbon. This is gamma lactone. Gamma lactone. Gamma lactone. Important one. Gamma lactone. It is also represented as this one. This is gamma lactone. This is internal esterification. Internal esterification. Important concept.
Please subscribe for more videos. For any doubts, please WhatsApp to my number 98491 38961. Thank you.